everyone, this is Candy in the Land of Sushi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will do a first impressions and a review of a brow product that I've been wanting to try, and as you can see, I don't have anything on my brows on. What I'm gonna review today is the Brow Made Kit from Made Cosmetics Philippines. This is the Brow Made Setting Gel. The reason why I ordered this brow setting gel, guys, kasi ang dami-dami ng makeup artists ng mga artista na ito yung ginagamit nila to achieve the bushy brows na sikat ngayon. Yan yung claim nila, guys, that they can transform your brows into something like this. So I was so intrigued and I really want to try kasi nahihirapan akong i-achieve itong ganitong kind of eyebrows sa live brow ng Sunny's face, guys. Na-achieve ko naman but hindi ganun kaganda, guys, sa eyebrows ko. So iti-try ko ngayon if it will really transform my brows. So let's see. This is in rose scent. I believe they only have 2 scents. Yung isa, lighter packaging, lighter color nito. I think this is limited edition. They recently launched the rose scent, but the formula is the same with the other scent. For me, hindi rose yung scent niya. It's more of like deodorant yung amoy niya, guys. So ito yung Brow Made Setting Gel and it has 2 spoolies. Ayan. I really love the rose color. Parang katerno pa siya ng damit ko ngayon. And then, now let's go to the brow pen. Ito yun. And I ordered the one in dark gray. So if you want to purchase this made kit, it is $599. You can buy this in their Instagram account and send them a DM if you want. I believe wala silang order form or some sort. Basta I just DM them my order, my address, and my details, and then they ship it to me. You can buy this separately, guys. The Brow Made Setting Gel is 300 pesos, but if you want to buy 2, it's just 590 pesos a pair. While this one naman, hindi ko na maalala pero ilalagay ko na lang dito. This is the packaging, guys. It's gold in color and it's pretty lightweight and it's made of plastic. They have 5 colors for their pen. They have dark brown, light coffee, dark gray, light brown, and black. For me, guys, I really prefer something ashy for my brows. Ito yung dark gray. Ayan. Parang triangle yung shape niya. It's really like Etude House na yung brow. Ano ba tawag doon? Yung brow pen nila. Similar in shape. I'll show you a swatch of the pen. Ayan. Ayan. I really like it, guys, because sa eyebrows, guys, dapat hindi creamy yung formula ng brow pencil. Kasi if it's too creamy, mahihirapan kang mag-blend and it's gonna be very strong sa eyebrows. I'm happy with the color because I usually use this kind of color for my brow. The other side naman, may schooly pa rin siya. So now, I will try the pen on my eyebrows. I'll just zoom you in so you can see how I apply this one. Again, this is my first time, guys. Let's see kung easy siyang i-apply. Ayan siya, guys. So what I'm doing now is I'm just lightly creating feather strokes. Pero parang it's too harsh on this side, so let me just blend that. So far, okay naman. It's easy to blend. I shape my brows first and then I fill in the gaps. Okay, blend, blend, blend. So now let's do the other side. So if it's too harsh, parang kung nagkamali naman kayo, you can use Q-tips or you can use your pinky finger to blend the outer corners. Medyo na-shock lang ako sa formula niya kasi I thought it's not that creamy when I put it on my brows. Ang lakas niya palang sumulat or something. Anong tawag dyan? So far, it's easy naman to apply. Nahirapan lang ako at first kasi akala ko hindi siya ganun ka lakas sumulat. On my right eyebrow, medyo hindi masyadong maganda yung pagkagawa ko ngayon. But the left brow naman, for me, is perfect. So now let's try the Brow Made Setting Gel. So I don't know how to apply this. I've never seen videos or anything about how to apply this thing on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dip the spoolie sa can. Ayan. And then I'm just gonna lightly blend or tap off the excess sa likod ng kamay ko. And then, I'm just gonna apply it to my brows directly. The only thing I don't like about the spoolie is that it is too thick. I think if you have very fine brows and very thin eyebrows like mine, mahihirapan ka. Ayan, other side. Ayan guys, what do you think? Do you think it's nice? Na-achieve ko ba? Kasi yung life brow guys, may color siya. Ito, it's clear. Ayan, it's a clear gel. That's why it's lighter on the eyebrows. Maganda ba guys? I like it naman. What I don't like is the scent kasi hindi siya rose guys. Para siyang deodorant. And I also don't like the spoolie kasi medyo makapal siya. It would have been better kasi nasanay ako dun sa life brow na sobrang nipis ng spoolie. If you don't have very thick eyebrows like mine, mahihirapan ka to blend kasi minsan nalalampas na yung spoolie sa eyebrows mo. I like the brow pen. Wala akong masasabi. It's very comparable to the Etude House Darling Brows. I'm happy with the color. I'm happy with my purchase. For the price of 599 pesos, reasonable naman guys because you get 2 products for 599. I don't know about the lasting power of these 2 products. If the gel holds up the bushy brows effect, I'll check in later so you guys will know. So I just want to give you a quick update guys. I filmed the video kanina around 5 o'clock and it's already 10:13 in the evening. And ayan yung brows ko. The product really held up the brow hairs. So may bushy effect pa rin even after 5 hours. So I'm really impressed with this product guys. Hindi ako nag-retouch or anything. I really like the product. That is it for this video guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much and I'll see you in my next vlog. Goodbye!